here back from grocery shopping, and our first stop was Whole Foods. So this is my first Whole Foods haul. We've been there a couple of times, and because not a lot of locations here where I live, but the stuff that's sold there that we get, can't find it anywhere else. So here is my first Whole Foods haul. I love the bag. So, not a lot of stuff, and I believe this came up to $40 something. So things are not that cheap, but we needed this stuff. So let's get into it. So the majority of this, actually, I think everything in here is for my daughter. So she got some Smart Sweets. This we couldn't find anywhere. We looked at so many stores, even at Bulk Barn they didn't have. So it is the dark chocolate hummus. I'm not sure what she's doing with that, but picked up some of these. She's used this before for baking. I think she said she puts it in her oatmeal. Also picked up, this is different, no, this is the same, semi-sweet, and this one's dark chocolate. Semi-sweet dark chocolate. I think these are like, I want to say they're $10 each, but we still have some of this left over from the first time we bought it, so this will last a while. Some Swerve, but in the, I think this is the, brown sugar. And then we also got this. We usually buy this at the Bulk Barn, and it is really good. It basically tastes like sugar, like you're having sugar. So it's the best sweetener that I've ever had. So we continuously buy it. If not, I kind of go to the, I forget the brand now, but anyways, it's also expensive, but you don't need a lot. Oh, the stevia. She also picked up some of these pitas, like that, and cold brew. And another cold brew. So that is all that we got from Whole Foods. And just want to get the total here. Okay, so there we go. For that. But again, it's stuff that we can't get anywhere else, and sometimes you just gotta pay the price, right? So there we go. My first Whole Foods haul. Okay, so on to the other store that we went to, which is Walmart. So quickly, just some Cheerios, Trix, popcorn, mashed potatoes. My daughter is cooking with that. My daughter's, we needed more cooking spray. We buy this all the time. My daughter uses it in her recipe. I think she also uses it when she makes, which she just got. She just got a waffle maker, but she makes pancakes and stuff like that. Coconut water for myself. Coconut water ×2. This is her Halo top. Oh, I might have to have one of these. Ice cream bars. We got some eggs, Cool Whip, crispy minis, rice cakes, almond milk, Smart Food. Got some bagels. This is sesame seed. This, my daughter pointed out, this was banana chocolate chip. I picked it up for me. Some avocado. I think both of my daughters now having avocado toast nowadays. Cucumbers, spinach, lettuce, cherry tomatoes. Got some asparagus, plantain, and in here, just some bananas. I think they're doing some baking. So this is the first part, and I'll get to the second part when I put all this away. So we also got carrots, pasta, I think it's sour cream, Greek yogurt. This is all from Walmart. Some cheese, frozen shrimp, mint, apples, ambrosia. These are really good. A bag of carrots, salsa, plantation shrimp. I think I said shrimp already. And chicken style bacon and ground turkey and some more raspberries. They didn't have any strawberries, and she wanted strawberries but took the raspberries. Taco seasoning. I'm assuming she's making, one of my daughters is making something. The taco and the salsa, Greek yogurt, cheese, and just some lemon juice for sparkling water. That's it. Very quick, very small. Yeah, we also went to the Dollar Tree, but I'm gonna put that in a separate Dollar Tree haul. So, all right, on to other things. So see you in the next one. Bye.